Hallo daar, welcome back to the Learn Afrikaans series, the perfect beginner's course to learn Afrikaans. Last time we did die kalender. This time we will cover Verkleining, Diminutive in Afrikaans. Do subscribe if you enjoy our series. Worksheets and early videos are available on the Patreon. Les 24, Verkleining, Diminutive. This video is part of our grammar series. Verkleining, diminutives, are used to show that a smaller form of the root word is intended. English rarely has any diminutives. Afrikaans, however, use them a lot. To make the verkleining in Afrikaans, you add a suffix. The 7 suffixes are tjie, etjie, afkappingsteken, tjie, keer, and e. Let's begin with ye. Words that end off on der and tier, for example, hond, hondje, hond, hondje, matje, matje. Notice the pronunciation. It is spoken as ki, hondje. Next, tjie. This is for words that end off on a diphthong. Remember, a diphthong is 2 vowels with 1 syllable. A diphthong is 2 vokale met 1 lettergreep, soos kraai, kraaitjie, kraai, kraaitjie. Or for words ending in i, milie, milietjie, milie, milietjie. Or for words ending in L, N, or R that come after a long vowel or diphthong, soos straal, straaltjie, straal, straaltjie, skoen, skoentjie, skoen, skoentjie. Once again, the pronunciation is ki. The afkappingsteken tjie, is for words that would have the afkappingsteken in the plural as well. So if you want to, you can go check out our video about plural, Meervoud, as well. These are words that end off on I, oe, u, and a long a, soos foto, fotootjie, foto, fotootjie, skadu, skaduotjie, skadu, skaduotjie. Next, etjie. This occurs with words ending on L, M, N, or R after a short vowel. Because of the short vowel, the last consonant is doubled in the verkleining, soos bal, balletjie, bal, balletjie, man, mannetjie, man, mannetjie. Or if it is a 1-syllable word ending on ng, soos ring, ringetjie, ring, ringetjie, slang, slangetjie, slang, slangetjie. I is used for words ending in F, G, K, P, S, huis, huisie, huis, huisie, fiets, fietsie, fits, fitsie. But if the word has a short vowel, remember to double the consonant. Lach, lachie, lach, lachie, hok, hokkie, hok, hokkie. And if it is a long double vowel of 2, remember to shorten it. Graaf, graafie, graaf, graafie. Oog, oogie, oog, oogie. P is for any word ending on an M, except for one with a short vowel. Boom, boompie, boom, boompie. Schelm, schelmpie, Schelm, schelmpie. Kie, kie. We already went over the one-syllable words ending in ng. But what happens for the two or more syllable words ending in ng? Then you get ki, but in these cases the g also falls away. Soos koning, koningkie, koning, koningkie, kussing, kussingkie, kussing, kussingkie. Plural, meervoud. The verkleining can also have meervoud. It is very simple. Just take the verkleining form of the word and add an s. Hond, hondjies, hond, hondjies. Huis, huisies, huis, huisies. It is important to know that the normal plural might have a very different suffix than the diminutive plural. Compare honde to hondjies, honde, hondjies. That is why you should just focus on the root and work from there. Lastly, there are some exception words. For example, pad, paadjie, pad, paadjie. It doesn't follow the rule of just getting the tjie. It also doubles the vowel. Gat, gaatjie, gat, gaatjie. Therefore, it is important to not just study the verkleining, but to immerse yourself in Afrikaans to the point of knowing it at a subconscious level. Thank you for watching. Next week, my house in Afrikaans. To test yourself, visit our Patreon for worksheets. Do watch this video again to study effectively. Baie dankie. Sharing, liking and subscribing will help our channel a lot. Comment any questions below. Bye.